In this video, we'll talk about distributive property. So this is a special property that's a little different than other number properties. It's where you can kind of combine addition and multiplication. So I think the best way to do this is to go through with an example. So for starters, let's just say we're looking at this expression, 5 times the quantity of 5 plus 2, or 3 times the quantity of 5 plus 2. So if we're looking at this, if we follow normal order of operations, we do the parentheses first, so we take the 5 plus the 2, so we have 3 times 7, which is 21. Now, alternatively, we can do distributive property. And the idea is, well, this should be the same as if I take 3 times 5 plus 3 times 2. Now, I think you can look at it and you can think, okay, technically these two are saying the same thing. And it'll boil down to be 15 plus 6, which is 21. Same thing. Now, you might be asking yourself, why would I bother? Why does it matter? It seems like the PEMDAS in this case is the more efficient way to go. Sometimes distributive property is the only option we have. In this case, yes. It doesn't make a lot of sense. It's not the most efficient. It works. But yes, in this case, the PEMDAS is more efficient. However, there are cases where we can't do PEMDAS, which we'll do next. So let's look at this case. If I tried to do PEMDAS here, I would have x plus 2. Now, I can't do anything with that because I don't know what x is. However, I can do distributive property. So I'm going to take the 5 times the x and the 5 times the 2. So I'll have 5x plus 10. And this is as simple as it gets until someone tells me what x is. Now, it might let me advance a little bit further, and maybe I can answer some questions. And this may be a better format, a simpler format for my expression.